Hello everybody, this is Kanika Sharma, Faculty of BGMC Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on sports journalism and my topic is Future of Sports Journalism in our country. Future of sports journalism in our country is very bright. As they say, sports journalism is here to stay. It will be here forever. Journalism is a very growing future in our country. So is sports. There are few points I want to mention over here. First is emerging trends in sports journalism. There are a lot of emerging trends coming in sports journalism. Let's say about Pro Kabaddi, IPL, which we have. These kind of emerging trends are encouraging people to do lot of more in sports journalism. Other than that, second point here, I want to say that there are so many news channels coming out, good news channels coming every day, which are making sports journalism 24/7 and live. Every day new channels are coming, and because of that 24/7 news channel and coverage of sports journalism is there. Other than that, the third point here I want to say, people are taking more interest. People want to know more. Here are people who really wants to know more and more about journalism, sports journalism, what is happening in and around the country, what is happening where in sports. If T20 is taking place somewhere, where is it taking place? What more? And their favorite sports person, they want to know everything about what their sports person are up to, what they love to eat in from breakfast to where they are performing their events. Other than that, the good presentation skills. Nowadays, sports journalism means presentation skill. If I talk about formal journalism means that you have to be very formal. That means you need to be very obedient when you talk, very formal. Whereas sports journalism means very formal. That's why we take nicknames of cricketers and we talk to them in other way. Last and not least, lively. Sports journalism is very lively. Whenever a match is taking place, it's very lively. People go watch match, everything from presentations to from people talking, interviews, everything is very lively. People get a one-to-one connection with their sports person. That's why sports journalism is here, and that's why it is a very, very emerging trend, and it is here to stay, will be here very strongly. I hope you understand today's topic. This is Kanika Sharma. Thank you so much.